What's up, guys? Pretty exciting morning. I'm looking over the car, doing some final checks for fluids, and we're on our way to the dyno that I've been to before locally. We completed the installation of the 4 fuel system. It uses 2 high pressure 465 pumps and new supply and return -8 lines, PTFE lines. I'm still using the factory rails. I don't think I need to upgrade those for now, for the time being. But the car is running well. It took about 2 revisions to get it up to about 21 degrees of timing on E85. It feels pretty healthy. If it makes somewhere in the low 700s, I'd be pretty happy through the automatic. But we'll check in a little while, see what we get. What's up, guys? Just wanted to wrap up the dyno video and say that I'm very happy with the numbers that it made with the P1sc at around 11.5 pounds and E85. Just a matter of getting it to the track now and dialing it in, getting it running well. As far as future mods, I wouldn't discount getting a P1X or a D1sc, but we'll see what I can come across in the future. But it's definitely a possibility. I've had some setbacks. The converter broke in the last month and a half or so, so I have had to take the transmission down, and since it was already down, I'd send it to Brett La Sala for clutches and intermediate shaft, and I got a circle deconverter. And I might be getting you guys a video of my impressions of the converter on the street. A lot of guys are on the fence because they're concerned that it might not drive too well, but once I break it in, I'll get you guys a video of it and what I think of it. So that's all, guys. Stay tuned for maybe some races or maybe some track times. See ya.